Welcome to Philippine T-Vet, Skills for Success. You ever wonder how your favorite streaming service just knows what movie you want to watch next? Or how massive online stores can handle millions of orders at once? Well, the magic behind all of that, it's called data engineering. And today, we're going to take a closer look at TESDA's Data Engineering Level 3 qualification to see what it takes to become one of the architects of our digital world. Okay, so let's start with the basics, shall we? The qualification explained. What does it actually mean to get a level 3 in data engineering here in the Philippines? At its heart, this qualification is all about teaching you how to design, build, and manage what are called scalable data pipelines. Now, just think of these as the invisible superhighways of the internet. They're what carry huge amounts of information that power literally everything from artificial intelligence to data science and machine learning. So how do you actually build one of these data superhighways? Let's get into the nitty-gritty and break down the hands-on skills you're going to master in this next part on your core competencies. It all really comes down to three fundamental skills. First, you've got to learn how to program for data. Then, you take that skill and you learn how to actually build the pipelines. And finally, you become the gatekeeper who ensures the quality of all that data. So let's take a quick look at each one. It all kicks off with programming. But look, you're not just learning how to write code. You're learning how to take these massive, often messy data sets and clean them up, transform them, and get them perfectly prepped for some really powerful machine learning models. Okay, so once you can speak the language of data, that's when you get to be the architect. This is the part where you design and build these super efficient, super reliable systems that move information from all kinds of different places to its final destination, all without a single hiccup. But here's the thing. All that data is pretty much useless if it's wrong. So the final core skill you'll learn is kind of like being a data detective. You'll learn how to verify that every single piece of information is accurate, complete, and consistent. This is what builds trust in the entire system, and trust is absolutely key. All right, so you've got the skills down pat, but where does that lead? Let's talk about the exciting part, some of the potential career paths that open up for you. Finishing this qualification swings the door wide open to some really critical roles, like a junior AI data engineer or an AI data technician. You could also become what's called an ETL developer. That stands for Extract, Transform, and Load, which is the classic data moving process, or an associate data engineer. These aren't just job titles, they are your ticket into the very engine room of the tech industry. But a great career is never just about the technical skills, right? So let's see what else this qualification packs in. You see, this program is really designed to make you a well-rounded professional. So along with those technical core skills, you're also going to build up what are called basic and common competencies. We're talking about things like communication, critical thinking, problem solving, even leading small teams. These are the skills that turn a good technician into a future leader. So when you look at the whole picture, TESDA's Data Engineering Level 3 is way more than just a certificate. It's a full toolkit. It gives you the high-demand technical skills to build our data infrastructure and the professional skills to really thrive. It's a direct path to a career right at the heart of our digital world. So the real question is, are you ready to start building?